children. Good morning to all of you. So let's begin the class. Yes. So before going to today's topic, I'll have just a revision of what we studied in the previous class. That is, we talked about reflection, how the reflection takes place. Then we talked about the angle of incidence and reflected rays. Okay, so hope you are clear with that concept. So today we are going to discuss about how an image appears in a plane mirror. Okay, yes. All might have seen a mirror, and in your home mirror will be there, right? Yes. Have you ever noticed, if you raise your right hand, how you will feel when you see in the mirror? Have you ever noticed that, children? Exactly. See, look at this picture. See, this girl is raising her right hand, and from the mirror she can see that her left hand is raised. Similarly, if we raise our left hand from the mirror, you can see that our right hand is raised. So here there is a principle that is called lateral inversion. That is, when we hold our hands laterally, means straight. Okay, so you can see from this picture that the girl is holding her hand straight, that is laterally. When you hold the hand laterally, okay, when you show the lateral side of the image, okay, when you see in the mirror, it will be in opposite direction. This principle is called lateral inversion. You can try this in your home. Okay? Yes. And this same principle is applied in certain cases. All might have seen ambulance, right? See, here is the picture of ambulance. You can see that the way the ambulance is written on the vehicle. Can you see, children? Yes. If we see, you can see that it is written in a wrong way, right? So why they are writing it like that? Why it is doing it like that? This is because here also a lateral inversion principle is undergone. When a driver, okay, of the vehicle sees from his rear view, side view glass, you can see on the right side of the driver, you can see a glass there, side view glass. When he sees from that glass, from that mirror, he can clearly see written as ambulance. The ambulance will be written in a correct way, so that he can give way for the ambulance to go, because there is a rule that whenever an ambulance comes, we should give them way to go, right? And all might be knowing that. So the reason why it is written upside down means, when the driver, which is going in front of this ambulance, when it sees on its side glass, glass mirror, it can see the ambulance is coming. That ambulance will be written in a proper way. From the mirror he can see like that, so that he can give way to the ambulance. So here also the lateral inversion principle is taken place. So lateral inversion is nothing but the lateral, when you hold anything at that is, for example, if you are holding your hand laterally, the mirror, the image shown will be in opposite direction. Okay? Yes. So this is what happens in lateral inversion. This is applicable in many cases, as I told you, in ambulance. Okay. Now we can go to the plane mirror. If you place any objects in front of the mirror, what all are the peculiarities you can find out? Suppose if I keep a pen or a watch in front of a plane mirror, okay, the image formed on the mirror will be same, right? If I keep a pen in front of the mirror also, I can see a pen, and same size it will be. Does the size will differ? No, right? If I keep a pen, its same size only will be shown in the mirror. And also if I keep it at a distance, the mirror also will show the same distance. Right? Yes. And it shows a lateral inversion also. If you are turning that nib to the right side in the mirror, you can see that in the left side. So these are all the features we can observe when we place some objects in front of a plane mirror. So we can summarize it like this. That is, the size of the image formed in the mirror will be equal to the size of the object. The size will not differ. And the distance between the mirror and the image is equal to the distance between the object and the mirror. The distance also will not change. But it shows a lateral inversion. It will just show the opposite side of what object you keep in front of the mirror. So this is what happens. Now, that is in the case of a plane mirror. Now you take any steel objects. For example, you can take a steel ladle. It's a vessel which is used in industries for pouring the metals and all. It's just a vessel made up of steel, a big vessel. Okay, or you take a steel spoon. Okay, and observe your face, and you find how the image is formed. If you keep the spoon, see from this picture, this boy is facing the front side of the spoon. So he will get a large image. And suppose he is facing the back side of the steel spoon, he will get a small image. So front side and back side, it will be different. Not like the plane mirror. In plane mirror, the size will be same. It will not be large, it will not be small. But if you take the steel spoon, as you can see from the picture, when the boy is facing the front side, his face image is very large. And when he faces the back side, his face image is very small. The same property happens in the steel ladle. Clear? Yes. Now in your textbook, there is an experiment. Take a silver paper, okay, and paste it on a postcard size chart paper. Make the chart paper in a postcard size and you paste that silver. There must be no folds. No folds must be there. And you paste it and allow it to dry. Keep it on a high heavy book and all, and so that it gets pasted neatly, and allow it to dry. Then you observe your face in the silver paper. you can see one image. Now you slightly bend it forward. You can see one, you will get an image. And you slightly bend it backward. So here what happens means, when it was plain, that is when there was no fold at all, the size of the image was same. It was equal as we have observed in the plane mirror. But when it was bended forward, the size became small. Okay, small as that of the object. Your face is small over there. Here the object is the face. And when you slightly bend it backward, the image became big. So this is what you can observe. Now next one, children, is about spherical mirrors. Spherical means round mirrors, and this is of three types: plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. This is the picture of plane mirror, this is the picture of concave mirror, and this is the picture of convex mirror. And what are the peculiarities? Plane mirror, there will be no fold, nothing. It will be straight. In the case of concave mirror, as you can see from the picture, the reflecting surface where the light hits and returns back, that surface will be curved inside. Concave, it will be curved inside. And in convex mirror, it will be curved outside. So this is what happens. See, you can see the picture of a convex mirror and a concave mirror. So what you can see? Yes, in the concave mirror, the reflecting surface is curved inside, and in convex mirror, the reflecting surface is curved outward. Okay, now what image will be formed in these mirrors? That is our next question. In the plane mirror, we will get the same image. Okay, see, for example, you just see this picture, children. A boy is holding can you see the picture? Yes, the boy is holding a concave mirror, okay, to a object which is far away from him, a distant object. And here the screen is the wall. The sun's rays hits the mirror and the light gets reflected onto the screen. You change its direction until you get a clear image of that object. Suppose here in this example, you can see that the boy is showing a object. Here is the tree. So you can see that tree on the screen. That is, here is the wall. Okay. So until you get a real image, you just change the position to forward and backward. So you can see the image. So what I am telling about is the image formation in these three types of mirrors. In concave mirror, we will get a inverted, diminished, real image. Inverted means upside down. It's not straight, upside down. Diminished means a small figure. Okay. the small object you will get, the size will be very small, and a real image you can clearly see on the screen. But when you take a convex mirror, the image formed is enlarged, erect, and virtual image. Erect means straight. Enlarged means it will be very big. And virtual image means the image will not be seen on the screen. It will not get catched on the screen. So by using a convex mirror, you will get a erect, enlarged, and virtual image. You can't see that object. So this is the image formation in concave mirror and convex mirror. In concave mirror, you will get a inverted, diminished, real image, and in convex mirror, you will get a erect, enlarged, and yes, virtual image. So always the image formation, that is you can see the image using a concave mirror. Now next my question is, what is this real image and virtual image? Real image is that you can see from the picture, if you show an image onto the mirror, that image can be caught on a screen. If suppose the wall is the screen or anything is the screen, it can be seen clearly. So that is called real image. And next picture is virtual image, where you cannot see the image. If you keep the object in front of that mirror, you at some distance, you cannot see that image on the screen. It will not get caught on the screen. So that is called virtual image. Okay. So this is about today's topic. So we learned about lateral inversion. Okay, what is a lateral inversion and what happens when we keep the objects in front of a plane mirror and in front of a steel spoon or ladle. Okay, and also we have done an experiment with a silver paper. Then we have looked about 3 types of spherical mirrors: plane mirror, convex mirror, and concave mirror. And we also discussed about the image formed in each mirror. Okay, so hope this is clear to you all. So the next portion in the next section. So till then, bye.